Hi, are you looking to challenge yourself beyond your day-to-day ho-hum routine? A better way to work and play and possibly dive into exploring what you're really capable of? I hear ya. I felt that way a long time ago, and that's when I decided to shift my energy and focus into building an online career as a freelancer. I became full-time freelancer over 10 years ago, and I never looked back. I love the feeling of having limitless creativity, meeting people from around the world, and of course, being my own boss. Freelancing is more than a job, it's a state of mind and a lifestyle. Today, I'm excited to say that I am now launching my full-stack NEXTGEN freelancing course that will give anyone that is looking to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and make a leap into the exciting world of freelancing. Back when I started my own online business, I was alone in finding my way. But for you, it doesn't need to be that way. I made over $1 million in freelancing, and if you join my Accelerator NEXTGEN Freelancer course today, you can begin the journey with my support and guidance. I'm completely ready to share everything that I've learned and discovered as a freelancer. I'm not holding anything back. Don't let this opportunity pass if you're thinking that it's your time to take the next step in your life and experience the freelance freedom. Join my NEXTGEN freelance link below, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Click the button below to join today before the door closes on December 20th. Don't wait to create the freelance business you deserve. I can't wait to welcome you to the NEXTGEN Freelance Accelerator course and see you thrive like never before.